I remember doing a live interview with Richard Nixon. This was when I was at ABC. It was many years later, and it was after Watergate. And it was the first live interview that he had done, and the first network interview that he had done after having left office, after being forced out of office. He had done one interview earlier with David Frost, but it was an interview that he was paid to do, and it was edited, and therefore it wasn't the same. And I started out asking him foreign policy questions. What did he think about this, about that? And he was superb, because he always was in foreign policy. In the middle of that interview, I decided that I would then try to give him some questions that would have some humanity, because he had been so reviled. And so I asked him what it was that got him through all those difficult times. And he said, because I thought he'd say my wife or my faith. And he said, why do you have to ask me these questions, Barbara? Why don't you ask the serious things? And I said, well, Mr. Nixon, I think people really do want to know these things about you. Well, no, they're not. Let's get back to the important questions. So I started to look for my foreign policy questions again, and I couldn't find them. But I had written them myself, so I remembered all of them. And then we went on, and 1 minute, this is when I'm talking about time, I asked for a 1-minute cue before the end of this hour interview. And I said, Mr. Nixon, are you sorry you burnt the tapes? And for the first time, he said, yes, I am. And he had only about 30 seconds to answer, and it was a great climax. And I remember that very well.